An art troupe from South Africa arrived in Urumqi, capital of northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, on Sunday to participate in the 6th China Xinjiang International Dance Festival. The artists from South Africa's Elvis Dance Art Troupe and Xinjiang Art Theater's Mukam Art Troupe presented improvisational performance, highlighting their respective cultural elements.
The welcoming already tells me that I'm home, so I'm so excited. The warm welcome, it says feel at home.
欢迎各国的艺术家们来我们的大美新疆，我们欢迎你们。
The 6th China Xinjiang International Dance Festival, with the theme of Dreams of Dance, Harmony of Silk Road, attracted more than 1,000 artists from Asia, Europe, and Africa. The festival, which opened on Thursday, will last for 17 days and stage 60 performances.